So, are you a Telegram user? Telegram, if you don't know, is pretty much a messaging service. People make groups, chats, all that on one platform, and loads of people turn to Telegram because of the privacy side of things. It was private, you could do what you wanted on there, and people were using Telegram. And I'm sure, well, as we know, many people in this sort of streaming scene use Telegram because they could use it, and people were using that for their streaming services and God knows what else. And most people just moved to it because they wanted privacy. So you can say what you want without other people knowing about it, or without things changing to the point of, you can do what you want. Whereas all the other social medias are being tracked, monitored, and that's why Telegram grew so quickly in its popularity. But things are changing. Your information is not safe. And I'm going to show you an article in a second all about this. Let me know if you use Telegram. Looks like this. Let me know that in the comments. And before we move on, if you are new here, whether you're watching this video on YouTube or on other platforms, do remember to hit that follow button. Remember to hit that follow button and we will show you everything streaming related, security related and online related, okay? So hit that follow button. I'm Dr. Squiffy. I'm on all socials, so make sure you come and find us out. So, Telegram will now hand over your phone number and IP address if you are a criminal suspect. So, if Telegram will now turn over those information if they are requested. They've changed their privacy policy. It's been updated. So if Telegram receives a valid order from the relevant judicial authorities that confirms you're a suspect in a case involving criminal activities and violate the Telegram terms of service, we will perform a legal analysis of the request and may disclose your IP address and phone number to the relevant authorities. Obviously, there's nothing to worry about if you don't break the rules, if you're not a criminal, but it depends whether you may be a user of something, you may be a user of a service which you think is fine. If it's requested, they can get it. This all came since their CEO a month ago got charged in France for enabling illegal activity. So by enabling, they're allowing people to do it on their platform. So the company is making these changes to deter criminals from abusing the app's search functions, search features which allow users to look for public channels and bots, and it's being used by people to sell illegal goods, which would be the likes of IPTV, that sort of stuff. We've made it clear that the IP address and phone number of those who violate our rules can be disclosed to relevant authorities. Response to the valid legal request will be posted on his Telegram channel. We won't let bad actors jeopardise the integrity of the platform. Telegram says it will disclose it in their user information to authorities in its quarterly transparency reports. If anyone would like to read this article from The Verge, I will link it underneath, as well as if anyone's ever worried about their IP address, most of you probably have a VPN anyway, but I'm sure you don't do anything illegal, and I'm sure you're all good citizens. But if you're on any platform, any social platform, any platform which can log your IP information, I would recommend using a VPN. VPNs are very good for your safe access to these different applications, unmetered, no traffic logs, so they can't find your phone number and that. But obviously, they're going to get your phone number if you put it into the app in the first place. But if not, your IP address will be safe with advanced encryption, shared IP addresses, no traffic logs, no transfer caps, proxy web servers, and 90+ locations on a great deal for you linked underneath. That's only if you need one. I'm sure, like I say, anyone who watches my videos know we use a VPN online all the time because we don't want people having our data because it gets sold to other people. Brilliant. So I've been Dr. Squiffy. Real quick news video today. Hope you like that one. Share it wherever you can so other people know. Let me know your thoughts underneath. Hit that follow button. And I'll see you soon.